Hello, 8th grade Wildcats. So nice of you to join me today to talk about our remote SEL 8th grade lessons. I'm so excited I get to be able to bring these to you and learn a little bit more about you guys as we journey together this year. Today we're going to talk about who we are and the identities that resonate with you guys. We are going to explore what makes us unique and wonderful and hopefully gain a little bit of confidence in that being okay, because it is. Okay, so here we go. Here is Alex. Okay, this is called an identity map. So Alex is the person we are going to be learning more about today. Okay, what does this identity map tell you about him? Oh, he's a boy. He likes to be in a band. He likes to perform. He's honest and compassionate. He likes to cook. He's outgoing. He's adopted. So there's a lot of different things that are going in to making Alex. All of these little clouds make Alex. Okay, so what general aspects did Alex include in his identity map? So he, interests, qualities, values, gender, abilities, skills, roles and relationships, race, culture, family background, and your personality. Okay, so all these things go in to make Alex who he is, and unique and wonderful. Okay, so here is a little short video on some other ideas of what other people bring to their identity maps.
I am many things. I am human.
I am Native American and Caucasian.
I am an Asian.
I am a Black woman.
I am biracial.
I'm Latina.
I am an African American male.
I'm an immigrant.
I am a twin. I am a twin.
I am gay.
I am tall. Really tall.
I am a wife.
I am a father.
I am a mother.
I am a son.
I am a daughter.
I am an athlete.
I am a singer.
I am a recording engineer.
I am a reader. I am a dancer. I am a baker. I am a gardener.
I am an educator. I am a poet.
I am creative.
Yo soy creativa. Yo soy única.
I am empathetic.
I am talkative.
I am a very happy guy.
I am strong.
I am stubborn.
I am funny.
I am friendly.
I am me.
So all these things go into making people who they are. So I have a job for you. Right now, your job is you can either do this on the computer or you can do it on paper and pencil. I have mine started, but it's not done yet. Okay, this is Mrs. Rodden so far. I don't know if you can see it, but it's what makes me, me, and I'm doing it along with you. I'll post it on my website for you guys to all see as well. So what you're going to do, make it colorful, black and white, just depending on your personality. I want your personality to really shine through on this. Okay, so here is the example of Alex again. Okay, so take all of these ideas and beliefs and values and core concepts and really make them your own. Put it on color, put it on black and white, whatever suits you best. But I do ask that you submit this to me in some way. That could be a picture of it. That could be sending me an attachment if you do it on the computer. Okay, so pause this video, work on that. When you're done with yours, come back to me. Okay, and then to wrap it up, I want you to write 2 or 3 sentences on whether you do it on the computer and type it, or if you do it on paper like Mrs. Rodden. I'm going to finish it and write down here what resonates most with me. When I think about my identity map, what do I think about most often? Okay, I'm not going to tell my secret right now. We're going to I'll just show you on my website when I post it. Okay, so pause it, do your identity map and then write 1 or 2, maybe 3 sentences about which one resonates most with you and why. Okay, so here is the prompt again. Okay, which aspect of your identity do you think about most often and why? I can't wait to hear. Email me your identity map so I can learn more about you. I look forward to seeing them. Thanks, guys.